you're putting a hole.
So then the water can go in.
Yeah.
Ah, so what are you?
So then we can.
Because it will go out.
Yeah, because we're gonna tilt it sideways, so then the water depth will be shallow.
I like your thinking.
I need to paint it.
Couldn't have you just brought a black Pepsi can?
There was a hole.
Yeah, there wasn't.
But I like your thinking. That's even better.
Thank you.
Oh yeah, with the glue too. No, it went away. I put glue on it. It went away. I put glue on it. It like blended in. I told you before.
ماما خلصة حخليها تواصل.
So tell me about this, boys. What's your thinking behind this?
I think
How will this work?
Mister, to reflect the aluminium foil inside it. Mister, you put it for just to reflect in the middle.
What, the moonlight?
Yeah, the moonlight reflecting the foil. See, Mister, we're gonna put here.
So are you guys going to use the moonlight, or will the moonlight work pretty well?
No,
Why not?
Mister, because it is night and the sun has heat, but the moon doesn't have heat.
What about if you have a torch
Yeah, it will heat it up.
with
It
the
will heat-
moonlight?
Yeah, no, Mister, because the moonlight will blow the candle out.
You think he's right?
No.
No?
I think the moonlight is a fan.
Ah. Alright, so looks like, and you've used this sort of installation here because what are you thinking?
ايه لا قلت لك لازم الومنيوم.
So what are you going to put your water in?
اقول لك بنكب الماي شي داخل ولا بنحط مله؟ بنحط مله. ونحط بنحط مله ولو حد عنده زجاج بنجيب
Do you know what the word or the words heat absorption mean?
Yes.
What does that mean?
It takes heat.
Takes heat? How?
No, it absorbs heat. Like,
You're on the right
I'm just like when you put sponge here and you put water on it, the sponge will just take all the water.
That sounds good to me. So if you're able to get heat absorption in there, how do you get it to stay in there?
Put glass.
Glass? Oh, okay. Like tinted glass or not tinted glass? You know, I've seen cars driving around and the cars are tinted or the windscreens are a bit blacker. Why do they do that? Is that to let?
So the sunlight don't hurt their eyes.
Doesn't go in. Ah.
يا رجال منك ليش؟ يجيب spray paint.
You look different, Mansell.
I don't care.